Creating beautiful wooden wall hangings can be a rewarding and profitable venture, especially for those who enjoy woodworking as a hobby or are looking to start a small business from home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable mini woodworking creative wooden wall hangings you can make at home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. With just a few tools and materials, you can craft unique pieces that not only enhance your living space but also appeal to a wide range of customers. In this discussion, we will explore various ideas for mini woodworking projects that focus on creative wooden wall hangings, examining the materials, techniques, and potential markets for these items. One popular idea for wooden wall hangings is creating decorative wooden signs. These can be personalized with names, quotes, or meaningful phrases, making them perfect gifts for weddings, anniversaries, or housewarmings. To get started, you'll need some wooden boards, which can be sourced from reclaimed wood or purchased from local hardware stores. Using a jigsaw or scroll saw, you can cut the wood into various shapes such as hearts, stars, or even simple rectangles. Once the base shape is ready, sanding the edges and surface will ensure a smooth finish. Next comes the fun part, designing your sign. You can either hand paint your designs using acrylic paints or use stencils for more intricate lettering. For those who prefer a more rustic look, consider using wood-burning tools to etch your designs directly onto the wood. After completing the design, applying a protective finish such as polyurethane will enhance the durability of your sign and give it a polished appearance. These signs can be marketed online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs, appealing to customers looking for personalized home decor. Another creative project is crafting wooden wall art using geometric shapes. This modern style has gained popularity in recent years and allows for endless creativity. Begin by cutting various geometric shapes from plywood or hardwood. Triangles, hexagons, and circles can all be combined to create an eye-catching piece. Once you have your shapes, paint them in complementary colors or leave them natural for a minimalist look. Assembling these shapes on a larger backing board can create a striking focal point for any room. To add depth and dimension, consider layering the shapes by attaching some with spacers to create a three-dimensional effect. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal of the piece but also adds texture to your wall hanging. These geometric wooden wall art pieces can attract a broad audience, particularly those interested in contemporary home design. If you want to incorporate nature into your wall hangings, consider creating wooden flower or plant holders. These functional pieces serve both as decor and as a way to bring greenery into indoor spaces. Start by cutting small rectangular or square pieces of wood that will serve as the base. You can then attach smaller wooden dowels or slats to create pockets for small plants or flowers. Staining or painting the wood will enhance its appearance, and adding hooks on the back will allow for easy hanging. These plant holders are not only attractive but also cater to the growing trend of indoor gardening. Marketing them as eco-friendly home decor will appeal to environmentally conscious consumers who appreciate sustainable products. Another engaging project is crafting wooden photo frames that can be hung on walls. Custom photo frames allow people to showcase their cherished memories while adding a personal touch to their decor. You can create frames in various styles, such as rustic farmhouse, modern sleek designs, or ornate vintage frames. Using a miter saw will help you achieve precise angles for the corners of your frames. Once the frame is assembled and sanded, consider embellishing it with decorative elements such as carved designs or painted patterns. You can even incorporate mixed media by attaching twine, fabric, or metal accents to give it an added layer of texture. These photo frames can be marketed as handmade gifts or personalized items for special occasions. For those who enjoy working with patterns and textures, creating wooden wall hangings using reclaimed wood is another profitable option. Reclaimed wood often has unique characteristics and history that add charm to any project. By cutting and arranging different pieces of reclaimed wood into a mosaic pattern, you can create stunning wall art that tells a story. These animal silhouettes can be marketed as nursery decor or unique gifts for animal lovers. They add character to any space and are sure to catch the eye of potential customers. Another creative idea involves making wooden dream catchers. Traditionally made from natural materials like twigs and feathers, you can give this concept a modern twist by incorporating wood into your design. Start by creating a circular frame using thin wooden dowels and then weave natural twine around it to form the netting typical of dream catchers. Once you have the base ready, consider adding wooden beads or charms that reflect personal themes such as nature, spirituality, or protection. Hanging these dream catchers on walls not only adds artistic flair but also carries symbolic meaning that many people find appealing. As you explore these various projects, it's essential to consider how you will market your creations effectively. Online platforms like Etsy provide an excellent opportunity to reach a broad audience looking for handmade items. High-quality photographs showcasing your work are crucial. Invest time in staging your pieces in aesthetically pleasing settings to attract potential buyers. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are also valuable tools for showcasing your woodworking projects. Engaging with followers by sharing behind-the-scenes content of your crafting process can help build a loyal customer base interested in supporting handmade artisans. Participating in local craft fairs or markets is another effective way to promote your work while connecting with your community. Setting up an attractive booth displaying your wooden wall hangings allows potential customers to see the quality of your craftsmanship firsthand. Networking with other local artisans can also lead to collaborative opportunities where you can share resources and cross-promote each other's work. Building relationships within the creative community fosters support and encouragement that can be invaluable as you grow your woodworking business. In conclusion, creating mini woodworking projects focused on decorative wooden wall hangings offers an exciting opportunity for both hobbyists and aspiring entrepreneurs alike. With creativity and skillful craftsmanship, you can produce a wide range of items, from personalized signs and geometric art to functional organizers and whimsical silhouettes, that cater to diverse customer preferences. As you embark on this journey into woodworking, remember that each piece you create carries your unique touch and story. Embrace the process of experimentation and exploration. Every project is an opportunity to refine your skills while producing beautiful art that enhances homes and lives. By combining passion with practicality, you'll find fulfillment not only in creating but also in sharing your work with others who appreciate the artistry of handmade wooden decor. With dedication and commitment, this venture could turn into a profitable endeavor that brings joy both to yourself and those who adorn their walls with your creations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.